Dear students, good morning all of you. Welcome to the online class. Myself, Mr. Ashok Kumar Mahapatra, assistant teacher, Sanskar, the Gurukul International School. Already we have completed 2 units, that rational number as well as polynomials. So now we'll start about mensuration part. So in the mensuration part, we have to study about the area of the 2D figures. We have to study about the area of 2D figures. 2D means two-dimensional figures. So two-dimensional figures, already I told you previously that having length and breadth which can be constructed on the surface of the paper, that is a 2D figure. So now we will find the area of those 2D figures like triangle, rectangle, square, trapezium, circle, etc. So now first we will discuss about area of triangle. So already we know triangles are different types. Like right angle triangle, similar way isosceles triangle, similar way scalene triangle, like this. So in a right angle triangle, already you know whose one angle is 90 degree, and in an isosceles triangle two sides are equal, and in case of a scalene triangle three sides are not equal. So we will find the area of these triangles. So first we will find out the area of a right angle triangle. Already you can say, if in this triangle angle B is equal to 90 degree, measurement of B is equal to 90 degree, so that SC is hypotenuse, AB perpendicular, and BC is base. So you have to remember BC is base, AB is perpendicular, and AC is hypotenuse. So if question is already given that find the area of the triangle, if base is suppose given to you, base is equal to 8 centimeter and perpendicular is equal to, it means AB is equal to 6 centimeter. So you have to find out the area of the right angle triangle. So you can say that is half into base into height. Height means perpendicular. So area of the right angle triangle is half into base into height. So you can put the value half into 8 into 6. So that is coming 24 centimeter square. Area means we will write the unit is centimeter square or square centimeter. So this is the formula in order to find the area of a right angle triangle. Similar way, if any triangle, you can say base is given. If any triangle base is given. Suppose here you see this is base. Base is given to you 10 centimeter. And height, it means perpendicular towards the base. So AM is perpendicular to BC. AM is perpendicular to BC. It means AM is height. And that is also given to you. Suppose AM is 6 centimeter. Then the area of the triangle will be also same formula. Half into base into height. So we will write area of ABC triangle is equal to half into base into height. So that is coming 30 centimeter square. So this is the conclusion. This is the conclusion. If base is given to you and height of the triangle is given to you, then you can find the solution by using the formula half into base into height. Next, suppose any right angle triangle. Suppose ABC is a right angle triangle. If ABC is a right angle triangle, it means angle B is equal to 90 degree and BC is given to you. BC means base is given to you. Suppose that is 6 centimeter. BC is given to you 6 centimeter. And after that, hypotenuse is given. Hypotenuse AC is given to you 10 centimeter. Find the area. Question is find the area. It means you have to find out the area of the triangle. Already what is given? Base is given. Then what is given? Then hypotenuse is given. So you have to find out the area of the triangle. So you have to apply that same formula. Half into base into height. Half into base into height means perpendicular. But here you see AB is the perpendicular, but that is not given to you. AB is the perpendicular, but that is not mentioned to you. So you have to find out the perpendicular first. You have to find out the height first. So AB is equal to, as per the Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square. Already you know Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square. Square of hypotenuse is equal to square of the base plus square of perpendicular. So according to that we find AB square, because AB is required for us. Since AB is required for us, so that will be hypotenuse square minus square of base. So now we put the value square of 10 minus square of 6. So that we got 100 minus 36, that is equal to 64. So AB is equal to root over of 64, that is equal to 8 centimeter we got. Now we got the value of AB. What is the value of AB? 8 centimeter. Already we got. So now we have to find out the area of the triangle. So area of the triangle is half into base into height. So half into 6 into 8. So that is coming 24 centimeter square. That is coming 24 centimeter square. Now see another type of numerical. Suppose in a right angle triangle, centimeter. Hypotenuse is given to you 13 centimeter and perpendicular AB is given to you. AB is 5 centimeter. AB is 5 centimeter and question is asking you if BK perpendicular to AC, if BK perpendicular to AC, that is given. If BK perpendicular to AC, find out the value of BK. Find out the value of BK. Again listen, if BK is perpendicular towards AC, then find out the value of BK. So first you see, AC is given. What is AC given? 13 centimeter. Then AB is equal to 5 centimeter. So you have to find out base. You have to find out the value of BC. So BC is equal to, as per Pythagoras theorem, BC square is equal to AC square minus AB square. That is as per Pythagoras theorem. Now just to put the value of AC is 13. So square of 13 minus square of 5. So you got 169 minus 25. That is 144. So value of BC, that is root over of 144. That you got 12 centimeter. Already you got the value of BC. So BC is 12 centimeter. You got. So three sides are already known to you. AC is 13 centimeter, AB is 5 centimeter, and BC is 12 centimeter. But the question is to find out BK. BK is perpendicular to AC. So now remember, what is the area of the triangle ABC? The area of the triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. So I may write half into 12 into height. If base is equal to what? Base is equal to BC. If base is equal to BC and height is equal to AB, then the area of the triangle is equal to half into BC into AB. Suppose this is the equation number 1. Again listen, if SC is equal to base, and BK is height, you have to write, if SC is base and BK is height, then area of the triangle ABC will be half into SC into BK, because SC I told take SC as base and BK is height. So now that is coming half into 13 into BK, because BK value you have to find out. So this is the area of the triangle. So already this is equation number 2, because in equation number 1 you got area of ABC is equal to half into 12 into 5. That is equation number 1. And again equation number 2 is same area of ABC triangle. Same area of ABC triangle is equal to half into 13 into BK. So since the two equations are same, it means area of ABC and area of ABC. So both equations are equal. So we can write half into 12 into 5 is equal to half into 13 into BK, because both are area. So half cancelled. So you got 60 is equal to 13 BK. So BK is equal to 60 by 13 centimeter. So this is the required solution. So like this way you have to find out if perpendicular towards AC asking to you. So dear children, already area for right angle triangle. Area for right angle triangle I have already now completed. So now the one task for you. You may write the similar type of question in a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle ABC, whereas angle B is equal to 90 degree, SC is equal to 61 centimeter. SC is equal to 61 and BC is equal to 11 centimeter. BC is equal to 11 centimeter. And if BT perpendicular to AC, BT perpendicular to AC, find out the value of BT. So you have to work out this sum. That is the one task for you. Thank you.